What is the Commerce Clause in US Congress? Imagine a nation where the power to regulate trade and economic activity is shared between the federal government and individual states. This balance shapes much of the United States' legal and political landscape. The Commerce Clause is a specific provision within the United States Constitution that grants Congress the authority to regulate commerce among the states, with foreign nations, and with Native American tribes. This clause is found in Article 1, Section 8, Clause 3 of the Constitution. It states that Congress shall have the power to regulate commerce with foreign nations and among the several states and with the Indian tribes. This language gives Congress broad authority over economic activities that cross state boundaries or involve multiple states. Historically, the Commerce Clause has been a central point in many Supreme Court cases that define the limits of federal power. For example, in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the court upheld expansive interpretations of the clause, allowing Congress to regulate activities like transportation, labor conditions, and even certain types of manufacturing if they affected interstate commerce. In the mid-20th century, the court continued to interpret the clause broadly, supporting federal laws on issues such as civil rights and environmental protection. Notably, the case of United States versus Lopez in 1995 marked a shift, where the court limited Congress's power under the Commerce Clause by ruling that carrying a gun near a school did not substantially affect interstate commerce and therefore could not be regulated under this clause. The Commerce Clause remains a vital tool for Congress to address national issues that transcend state borders. It enables the federal government to pass laws related to transportation, trade, labor standards, and even health and safety regulations that impact multiple states or the entire country. Understanding this clause helps clarify how the United States balances state sovereignty with federal authority. It also highlights how legal interpretations of the clause can evolve over time, shaping the scope of congressional power in the process.